Okay, so let's start the next topic, that is Introduction to Trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry. So the first question is find sine beta. Okay, so this is the right angular triangle given ABC, where angle B is beta degree. You have to calculate sine beta. And this is 90 degree. This angle C is right angle. This is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, we know that the side opposite to this 90 degree is called a hypotenuse. Here, angle B is the angle beta. So the side opposite to this angle is called the opposite side. So AC is the opposite side. So BC is called the adjacent side. So these are the three sides: opposite side, hypotenuse, and adjacent side. So hypotenuse is 13 units, opposite side is 12 units, and adjacent side is 5 units. Calculate sine beta. So what is the relation to calculate sine? Sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is AC. So I will write AC divided by hypotenuse is AB. So AC by AB. So AC is 12 units. So 12 divided by hypotenuse is AB is 13. So 12 by 13. So the value of sine beta is equal to 12 by 13. This is the answer. So second question. Okay. So this is second question. Find tan alpha. Okay. So find tan alpha. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Yeah. Find tan alpha. This is the right angle triangle ABC, where angle A is alpha and angle C is right angle 90 degree. AB is given. AB is 25 units. So the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So AB, here AB is the hypotenuse and alpha is the given angle. So the side opposite to this angle is opposite side. That means BC is the opposite side, whereas AC is the adjacent side. So how you will calculate tan alpha? So the relation to find tan alpha is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side is BC divided by AC. So here BC is 24 units and AC is 7 units. So tan alpha equals to 24 divided by 7. So the answer tan alpha equals 24 divided by 7. Then question number 3. Next is, this is the triangle given. This is the triangle given ABC, where angle C is the right angle. Angle C is 90 degree. This is the right angle. So the side opposite to this angle C is hypotenuse. So AB is called hypotenuse. AB is called hypotenuse and angle A is given. Angle A is alpha. So the side opposite to this alpha is called opposite side. So here BC is the opposite side. It is given 20 units. And so side AC is called the adjacent side, that is 21 units. Here I am calculating cos alpha. What is the relation to find cos alpha? Cos alpha equals adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that is AC divided by AB. That means 21 by 21. So the answer is 21. Cos alpha is equal to 21 divided by 29. Question number 4. Next, I am calculating sine beta. This is the triangle given, ABC. Angle C is 90-degree right angle. So the side opposite to angle C is hypotenuse. So AB is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. And angle B is given. This angle B is beta. So the side opposite to beta is called opposite side. So AC is the opposite side. That is 15 units. So BC is the adjacent side. So what is the relation to find sine beta? Sine beta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is AC. AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. AB is the hypotenuse. So 15 divided by 17. So the answer is sine beta is equal to 15 divided by 17. Question number 5. If sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 for an acute angle theta, find the value of tan theta. You have to calculate tan theta. Sine theta is given. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 for an acute angle theta. We know that the different types of angles are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle means the angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. For example, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree are called acute angles. What is a right angle? Right angle means angle equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. Obtuse angle means the angle between 90 degree and 180 degree are called obtuse angle. For example, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree are called obtuse angles. Straight angle means angle is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle means between 180 degree and 360 degree angles are called reflex angles. For example, 210 degree, 270 degree, 300 degree are called reflex angles. Complete angle means the full circle, that is called 360 degree. So here the question it is given that for an acute angle means the angle less than 90 degree. That means 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, etc. So sine theta is given. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. So we know that how you will calculate sine theta. We know that sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So it is given that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. That means opposite side is 3 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. So I will draw a right angle triangle like this, and then I will mark angle theta like this. So this is theta, means this is the opposite side. So opposite side is 3, right? This is 3 and this is the right angle, and means this side is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. So that is 5 units. It is given 3 by 5. Opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. That is given. So I marked here. Okay. Then here I am going to calculate tan theta. How you will calculate tan theta? What is the relation to calculate tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. But in the problem, we know opposite side and hypotenuse only. Okay. If we will get adjacent side, then we can calculate tan theta. But the problem is we don't know adjacent side. So we can apply a theorem called Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So here hypotenuse side is 5. That means 5 square is equal to, we don't know adjacent side. So I will give as x. So x square plus opposite side is 3 square. So x square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So x is equal to square root of 16. That is equal to 4. So adjacent side is 4. Now I can calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 3. Adjacent side is 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Next question. Question number 6. In the given right triangle, the sides are 10 units. Okay, so here one side is 10 units and 24 units long. Okay, so this is the right angle triangle, and here this angle is theta. This is given. This figure is given. This angle is theta, and this side is 10 and this side is 24. So this angle is theta, means this is the side opposite to this angle is called opposite side. So this is called, this 10 units is the opposite side, and this 24 units is the adjacent side, because the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. Find sec theta. You have to calculate sec theta. We know that how you will calculate sec theta. Sec means 1 by cos. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Then how you will calculate cos theta? We know that cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. But here we know opposite side and adjacent side. Okay. We don't know hypotenuse. If we will get hypotenuse, then I can calculate cos theta. Then I will take the reciprocal so that I will get sec theta. But here the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. How you will get the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse I don't know. I will give hypotenuse as x square. X square is equal to opposite side is 10. So 10 square plus adjacent side is 24. 24 square. That is equal to 100 plus 576. That is 676. Then I will take the square root of x is equal to square root of 676. That is equal to 26. 26. Okay, now hypotenuse is 26. Hypotenuse is 26. Then I can calculate cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 24. 24 divided by hypotenuse is 26. So 24 by 26. So this is cos theta. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal means 26 by 24. Okay. So the value of sec theta is equal to 26 by 24. Or you can simplify it. You will get 13 divided by 12. So the answer is sec theta is equal to 26 divided by 24 or 13 divided by 12. Then question number 7. Here sec theta is given. Here sec theta is equal to 13 divided by 12. This is given. For an acute angle theta, you know acute angle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Calculate sine theta. How you will calculate sine theta? Sine theta, we know that sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, sec theta is given. What is sec theta? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so we know that cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, right? So it is given that sec theta is equal to 13 divided by 12. Take the reciprocal, 12 by 13. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. So adjacent side is 12. So I will draw a right angular triangle. So from this relation, I know that adjacent side is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So adjacent side is 12. I will draw a right angular triangle like this, and then I will mark the adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Okay, and here I am going to calculate sine theta. Okay, sine theta means I need what is the relation to calculate sine theta? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here I don't know the side opposite. Opposite side I don't know. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Okay. Hypotenuse square is 13. So 13 square is equal to adjacent side is 12 square plus opposite side we don't know. I will give that side as x square. So x square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. So 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. You will get 25. Then take the square root. You will get x equal to 5. So you will get opposite side is 5. So that you can calculate sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So the answer is 5 by 13. So the final answer is 5 by 13. Then question number 8. In the given right angle triangle, the sides are 8 units. So this side is 8 units and 17 units. Hypotenuse is 17 units. This figure is given. Find cos theta. This angle is cos theta. So if this angle is theta, this side is opposite. That means this is the opposite side. So 8 units is the opposite. This is the right angle. So the side opposite to this right angle is hypotenuse. So 17 is the hypotenuse. Here I'm calculating cos theta. What is the relation to calculate cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here the problem is we know opposite side and hypotenuse. We don't know adjacent side. Okay, what we will do? We will apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So 17 square is equal to opposite side is 8 square plus adjacent side we don't know. I will put adjacent side as x. So x square. So x square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. What is 17 square? 17 into 17. It's 289 minus 8 square is 64. So you will get 225. So I will take the square root. The answer is 15. So adjacent side is 15. So that you can find cos theta. Adjacent side is side by hypotenuse. 15 divided by 17. So the final answer is 15 divided by 17. 15 divided by 17. Next question. Question number 9. Sine theta is given. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sine theta is given. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. For an acute angle theta, you know what is acute angle? Angle less than 90 degree. Evaluate the expression 1 minus tan square theta. Find the value of 1 minus tan square theta. Sine theta is given. I will draw a right angle triangle. We know that what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. It is given that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. That means opposite side is 3 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. So I will mark theta here and I will mark opposite side. Opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Then next is I'm going to calculate 1 minus tan square theta. First I will calculate tan theta. How you will get tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. But here the problem is I know opposite side and hypotenuse. I don't know adjacent side. How you will calculate adjacent side? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse is 5 here. So 5 square is equal to opposite side is 3. So 3 square plus adjacent side I will give adjacent side as x. So x square. So x square is equal to 25 minus 9. So x square is equal to 25 minus 9, right? So that is equal to 16. So x is equal to square root of 16. That is equal to 4. So the value of adjacent side is 4. Now I can calculate tan. What is tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. That means 3 by 4. Then I will substitute the value into this expression. 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 minus 3 square by 4 square. 1 minus 3 square is 9 by 4 square is 16. I will take 16 as LCM. Then 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7 by 16. So the answer of this expression, 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 7 by 16. Then question number 10. In the given right angle triangle, the sides are 12 units. Okay, so this side is 12 units and 16 units. The adjacent side is 16 units. Evaluate the expression cosec theta minus sec theta. Okay, find cosec theta minus sec theta. So in the figure, it is given that this side is 12 and this side is 16. Okay, you have to calculate cosec theta minus sec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. That means 1 by sine theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So first I will calculate sine theta and cos theta. How you will calculate sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. But here the problem is I know opposite side and adjacent side. I don't know hypotenuse. So what you will do? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, to calculate the hypotenuse. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse, I don't know hypotenuse, so I will put hypotenuse as x. So x square is equal to opposite side is 12, 12 square plus adjacent side is 16, 16 square. So that will be equal to 144 plus 256. That is equal to 200. Then I will take the square root. I will get x equal to 20. So that means the value of hypotenuse is 20. So now I know all the three sides. I know opposite side, I know adjacent side, and I know hypotenuse. So I can calculate the sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That means 12 divided by 20. Okay, 12 divided by 20. You can cut it so that you will get. You can simplify it so that you will get 3 by 5. Okay, you can You can write 12 as 6 into 2 divided by 10, 10 into 2. So that you can cancel 2 and 2. So you will get 6 by 10. Then again, you can write 6 as 3 into 2, 10 as 5 into 2. Then again, you can cancel 2, 2. So after simplification, you will get 3 by 5. So sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then next is cos theta. Find cos theta. How you will, so now you have cos theta, sorry, sine theta, right? You have to calculate cosec theta. Now, we know that the reciprocal of sine theta will give you the cos theta. So sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then cosec theta will be, take the reciprocal. That means 5 by 3. Next is, I will calculate cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is 16. So 16 divided by hypotenuse is 20. So 16 divided by 20. Again, I will simplify it. 16 I can write 8 into 2. 20 I can write 10 into 2. So 2 cancel, 8 by 10. Then 8 I can write 4 into 2. Then 10 I can write 5 into 2. Then again I will cancel it. So I will get 4 by 5. So I will get cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. But I want sec theta. Take the reciprocal. Okay. If I'm getting the taking the reciprocal, so the value of sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. So cosec theta minus sec theta is equal to cosec theta is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So 5 by 3 minus 4 by 5. 5 by 3 minus, sorry, 5 by 3 minus sec theta. Sec theta is 5 by 4. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 4. I will take 12 as the LCM. Here you can see. I will take 4 into 3, 12. 12 as the LCM. So 12 by 3 is 4. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 minus 12 divided by 4. 3, 5 into 3, 15. So 20 minus 15 by 12. So the answer is 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12. Then question number 11. Sec theta is equal to 13 divided by 12. Sec theta is equal to 13 divided by 12 for an acute angle theta. Evaluate the expression sine theta plus tan theta. Find sine theta plus tan theta. Okay. So it is given that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. We know that what is sec theta? Take the reciprocal of cos theta, 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So this will be equal to, take the reciprocal of sec theta, that is 12 by 13. That means adjacent side is 12. Here you can see, I will draw a right angular triangle. Then I will mark adjacent side and then I will mark hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 13 and adjacent side is 12. The question is, calculate sine theta plus tan theta. Sine theta, what is the relation to calculate sine theta? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Anyway, we want opposite side. But the problem is, I don't know the opposite side. So we have the solution. What is the solution? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So what is the hypotenuse here? 13. So 13 square is equal to opposite side. I don't know. I will put opposite side as x square plus adjacent side is 12 square. So x square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. What is 13 square? 13 into 13, 169. Minus, what is 12 square? 12 into 12, 144. It is equal to 25. So take the square root, you will get x. So the value of opposite side is 5. Now I have all the three sides, right? Hypotenuse is 13, opposite side is 5, and adjacent side is 12. So you can calculate sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 5, hypotenuse is 13, so 5 by 13. Then next is I will calculate tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is 5 divided by adjacent side is 12, 5 by 12. Then I will add these two values because the final answer is sine theta plus tan theta. So 5 by 13 plus 5 by 12. Okay. 5 by 13 plus 5 by 12. I will take 156 as the LCM. Then so that I will get 60 plus 65. So the final answer is 125 divided by 156. So this is the final answer of sine theta plus tan theta. Then question number 13. Sorry, question number 12. In the given right triangle, the sides are 10 units. So this side is 10 units. This figure is given. This is 10 units and 24 units long. Adjacent side is 24. Evaluate the expression 1 minus 2 sine square theta. You have to find what is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, so here this is the right angle triangle given. This angle is theta. That means this is the opposite side. That means 10 units is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse because this is the right angle triangle. So opposite side is 10 units and adjacent side is 24 units. You have to calculate sine 1 minus, you have to calculate 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So you have to calculate 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, so what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. Okay, there is a solution. What is the solution? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse I don't know. I will put hypotenuse as x. So x square is equal to adjacent side is 24 square plus opposite side is 10 square. So 24 square plus 10 square is equal to 576 plus 100. That is equal to 676. So x is equal to, I will take the square root. So I will get x is equal to 26. That means hypotenuse is 26. Now I have all the three sides. Opposite side is 10, adjacent side is 24, and hypotenuse is 26. Then I can calculate sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 10. So 10 divided by hypotenuse is 26. So 10 by 26. Then I will simplify it. So 10 I can write 5 into 2. 26 I can write 13 into 2. So 2 cancel. So I will get 5 by 13. So 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into sine theta is 5 by 13. So 5 square divided by 13 square. So that means 1 minus 2 into 5 square is 25. 25 divided by 169. Then I will take 169 as the LCM. So 169, numerator 169 minus 25 into 2 is 50. So the answer is 119 divided by 169. This is the final answer. Question number 13. If tan theta is equal to 7 by 24, for an acute angle theta, find sec theta without find sec theta. Yeah, you have to calculate sec theta, right? So I will draw a right angle triangle like this. Tan theta is given. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. It is given that it is tan theta is equal to 7 by 24. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is 7 units and adjacent side is 24 units. So I will draw a right angle triangle like this. Then I will mark angle theta. Then I will mark opposite side. I know that opposite side is 7. So this is 7 and adjacent side is 24. Okay, so I marked opposite side and adjacent side. You have to calculate sec theta. Okay, so we know that what is sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay, first I will calculate cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. But the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. So we have a solution. Okay, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So I will put hypotenuse as x so that x square is equal to opposite side is 7 square plus adjacent side is 24. So 7 square plus 24, that is equal to 49 plus 24 square is 576, that is equal to 625. I will take the square root of x is square root of 625 so that I will get x equal to 25 units. So hypotenuse is 25. Now I have all the three sides. Hypotenuse is 25, opposite side is 7 and adjacent side is 24. So I will apply these values into the cos relation. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 24. So 24 divided by hypotenuse is 25. 24 by 25. Then here the question is sec theta. Take the reciprocal. Okay, take the reciprocal of cos theta. 25 by 24. So the answer is 25 divided by 24. Take the reciprocal of cos theta. You will get sec theta. Question number 14. If cot theta is equal to 24 by 7, cot theta, this is given, cot theta is equal to 24 by 7, find cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so we know that what is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by tan theta. Okay, first I'm writing tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, that is tan theta. So cot theta is given. I will take the reciprocal 7 by 24. That is the tan theta. So opposite side is 7 units and adjacent side is 24 units. I will draw a right angle triangle like this. Then I will mark angle theta and then I will mark opposite side as 7 and adjacent side as 24. Here you have to calculate cosec square theta minus 1. That means you have to calculate cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So first I will calculate sine theta. How you will calculate sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. But the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. So what is the solution? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So I will put hypotenuse as x so that x square is equal to adjacent side is 24. So 24 square plus opposite side is 7, 7 square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So that will be equal to 625. Then I will take the square root so that x is equal to 5. Sorry, x is equal to 25. So, okay, square root of 625, that is equal to 25. So I have all the values. Okay, hypotenuse is 25, opposite side is 7, and adjacent side is 24. I have all the three sides. Then I can calculate sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 7, so 7 by hypotenuse is 25. 7 by 25 is sine theta. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal. What is that? 25 divided by 7. That is cosec theta. Then substitute this value in this expression. So cosec square theta, that means 25 by 7, the whole square minus 1. So 25 square minus 1 is equal to 625 divided by 7 square is 49. 49 minus 1. I will take 49 as the LCM. So 625 minus 49 divided by 49. So the answer is 576 divided by 49. So the answer is 576 divided by 49. Okay, next question. Question number 15. Yeah. So here a right angle triangle is given. So angle C is the right angle and beta is given. Angle B is beta. Okay. You have to calculate tan beta. We know that tan beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is given, it's 5 and adjacent side is 12. Okay. So what is tan beta? 5 by 12. Direct question. Okay. Tan beta is equal to 5 by 12. Question number 16. Okay. So in the given right triangle, the sides are 9 units. This is given. Okay. This side is 9 units and this adjacent side is 12 units. This angle is theta. This is given. This triangle is given. Evaluate the expression cos square theta minus sine square theta. You have to find cos square theta minus sine square theta. So here first I am calculating cos theta. Then I will square it. Then after that I will find sine theta. Then I will square it. Then I will take the difference. I will subtract it so that I will get the solution. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we want hypotenuse, right? But the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. I know only opposite side and adjacent side. How you will get hypotenuse? We have the solution. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So x square is equal to, so I will put hypotenuse as x. So x square is equal to opposite side is 9. So 9 square plus adjacent side is 12. So 9 square is 81. 81 plus 144, that is equal to 225. Okay, then I will take the square root. I will get 15. So x is equal to 15. So hypotenuse is 15. Now I have all the three sides. Hypotenuse is 15. Opposite side is 9. Adjacent side is 12. So I will find cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12. So 12 divided by 15. Then next I will calculate sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 9. So 9 by 15. So then I will square it. So cos square theta is equal to 12 square divided by 15 square minus sine square theta is 9 square by 15 square. Then I will solve it. 12 square is 144 minus 9 square is 81 divided by 15 square is 225. So we will get the answer. Next question, question number 16. In the given right triangle, the sides are 8 units. Okay, so this side is given. This is 8 units and hypotenuse is given. This is 10 units. Fine. So, and this angle is given. This angle is theta. Find cot theta. You have to calculate cot theta. We know that how you will calculate cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So how you will calculate tan theta? So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. You have to calculate adjacent side. But the problem is I don't know adjacent side. How you will get adjacent side? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Here hypotenuse is 10. So 10 square is equal to, so I will put adjacent side as x. So x square plus opposite side is 8 square. So x square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square. So 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is equal to 36. So adjacent side, then I will take the square root of x so that you will get x, x, the value of x. So the value of x is 6. So adjacent side is 6. Now I have all the three sides. Hypotenuse is 10, opposite side is 8, adjacent side is 6. Then I can calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So that means 8 divided by 6. I can simplify it. 8 I can write 4 into 2, 6 I can write 3 into 2. So that 2 cancel 4 by 3. So tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Here the question is cot theta. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal of tan theta. That is 3 by 4. That is the cot theta. That is the value of cot theta. Okay, next, evaluate the expression without the use of a calculator, sine 30. Okay, so how you will calculate sine 30? We know the value of sine 30, right? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, right? The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. So value of sine 0 is 0 degree, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. We know all the values. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So you are calculating the sine 30. Okay. So draw an equilateral triangle like this. Okay. We know that what is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles means all sides are equal, right? See, this side is x, this side is x, this side is x. And the three angles, okay, there are three angles. Each angles are 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So total angle is 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180 degree. So I will split this triangle into two parts like this, okay, like this. So I will get a right angle triangle. Now you can see I will get a right angle triangle. This angle is 30 degree, right? This angle is 30 degree. Means this total angle is 60. Half means this is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. This is right angle. So I will draw like this. So I'm getting like this. Okay. So this is 90 degree. This is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. Okay. This total length is x. That means this is x by 2. So this is x. This is hypotenuse x. Okay. So I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So I will name this adjacent side as opposite side as AD. This is AD, then B. Okay. So DB is the adjacent side, and AB is the hypotenuse, and AD is the opposite side. Okay. So how you will calculate this side? Okay. You can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So hypotenuse is x. So x square is equal to base is x by 2 the whole square plus AD square. Okay, so x square minus x square by 4 is equal to AD square. So AD square is equal to, I will take 4 as the LCM. So 4x square minus x square. 4x square minus x square is 3x square. So 3x square by 4. So AD is equal to square root of 3x by 4. So that means root 3 by 2x. So this side is root 3 by 2x. Root 3 by 2x. So if the side of this equilateral triangle is x, then this will be x by 2 and this will be root 3 by 2x. How you will calculate sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is x by 2, right? X by 2 divided by hypotenuse is x. So x by 2 divided by x. So x by 2, I will change this multiplication sign. I will change this into multiplication and take the reciprocal. That means 1 by x. So x cancel. So the answer is 1 by 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We know the sine values, right? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. So next question. Yeah. Next question is sine 45. Okay. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. This is an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right triangle means this side is x, this side is x, then this will be root 2x. This angle is 45, this angle is 45, and this angle is 90 degree. This is isosceles right triangle. This is a right triangle, but this is isosceles. Isosceles means this angle is 45, this angle is 45, and this length is x, and this length is also x. Okay, so here I am calculating sine 45. How you will get sine 45? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? X divided by hypotenuse is root 2x. Okay, so x by root 2x is x cancel 1 by root 2. We know that sine 45 is 1 by root 2, right? As I already mentioned, sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So here, okay, with the help of an isosceles right triangle, you can find the value of sine 45. If you don't know, if you didn't remember the value of sine 45, you can draw an isosceles right triangle and then you can find the value of sine 45. Okay, then sine 60. Okay, how you will calculate sine 60? Okay, the same equilateral triangle you can use, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is root 3x by 2. We already calculated that. Check the previous problem. Okay, so root 3x by 2 divided by hypotenuse is x. Okay, so then root 3x by 2 into 1 by x, x cancel root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Question number 22. In the right triangle shown, angle A is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree and AB is 12. AB is hypotenuse. This is 12. How long is BC? Okay, you have to calculate BC. BC means opposite side. Okay, so which relation you will apply? Here, this angle is given 45 degree. I am going to calculate BC. BC means the side opposite to this angle. That means opposite side, and I know the hypotenuse. So which relation you will apply? Sine, because we know that sine 45 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. I know sine 45. What is value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is equal to opposite side. I am going to calculate it. So I will put opposite side as x. So x divided by hypotenuse is 12. Then I will cross multiply it. So 12 in cross multiplication means like this. I will cross multiply. So 12 into 1 is equal to root 2 into x. So that is equal to x is equal to 12 into 1 divided by root 2. Okay, 12 I can write 6 into 2 divided by root 2. Then this 2 I can write root 2 into root 2. So that I can cancel 2 root 2's. So the final answer is 6 root 2. So the answer is, so the value of BC is, 6 root 2. Question number 23. In the right triangle shown, M angle K is equal to 60 degree. M angle K is equal to 60 degree. That means angle K. This is angle K. This is angle K is 60 degree. Then KL is equal to, KL means this length. This length is equal to 2. You have to find JL. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is a right angle means this is hypotenuse. Okay. This is the side opposite to the angle is opposite side. So this is opposite side. So that means I'm going to calculate opposite side. So I'm going to calculate opposite side. I know the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent. So I can apply tan. Okay. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is x and adjacent side is 2. What is tan 60? So tan 60 is equal to sine 60 divided by cos 60. If you don't know the value of tan 60, you can use this relation, sine 60 divided by cos 60. Okay, but you have to study remember the value of sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Okay, divided by what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to root 3 divided by 2 into, take the reciprocal, 2 to cancel. So the answer is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. So I will put root 3 here. Root 3 is equal to x divided by 2. Then I will cross multiply it. So x is equal to 2 root 3. So the answer is x is equal to 2 root 3. That is the answer. Then question number 24. In the right triangle, angle J is equal to 60 degree. This is the angle J. Angle J is 60 degree. So the side opposite to this is opposite side. That means KL. KL is the opposite side. And JL is equal to 6 root 3. JL means this is the right angle. That means the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 6 root 3. Hypotenuse is 6 root 3 and angle J is 60 degree. So how long is JK? So you have to find JK. So JK means KL is the opposite side. I am going to calculate JK. JK means adjacent side. Okay. So I know hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse means cos. You have to apply cos. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that means JK divided by JL. So JK is so x divided by hypotenuse is 6 root 3. So what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to x divided by 6 root 3. So cross multiplication, 6 root 3 into 1 is equal to 2 into x. So x is equal to 6 root 3 by 2. Then 6 I can write 3 into 2 into root 3 by 2. Then 2 cancel, 3 root 3. So the answer is 3 root 3. Question number 25. In the triangle shown, angle A is 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degree. AB equals 12 root 3. Okay, AB. This is AB. Here you can see this is the right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So that means AB is the hypotenuse. That means 12 root 3. 12 root 3 is the hypotenuse. How long is AC? Okay, you have to calculate AC. So we know hypotenuse and what is this side? Here, this is the angle 30 degree, right? This angle is 30 degree. That means the side opposite to this angle is opposite side. So BC is opposite side. That means AC is adjacent side. So I'm calculating the adjacent side. I know hypotenuse. So you have to apply the relationship between adjacent side and hypotenuse. So which relation you will apply? Cos. So cos 30 is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is AC divided by AB. Okay, so what is cos 30? Okay, cos 30 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 divided by 2 is equal to adjacent side is x divided by 12 root 3. Then cross multiplication 2 into x is equal to 12 root 3 into root 3. So x is equal to 12 into what is root 3 into root 3? 3. So 12 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, 2 and 12 I can cancel. 6 into 3, 18. So the final answer is 18. Question number 26. Evaluate the expression 9 cosec square 60 minus 3. 9 cosec square 60 minus 3. So how you will get cosec square 60? Okay, cosec 60. We know that what is cosec 60? Cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Take the reciprocal, you will get cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Then I will substitute this 2 by root 3 here. So 9 into 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 3. 9 into 2 square minus root 3 square. So 9 into 4 by 3 minus 3. So 9 and 3 I can cancel. I will get 3 balance. So 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So the answer is 9. Question number 27. Evaluate the expression 1 plus cot square theta. Sorry, 1 plus cot square 30. Okay, so first of all, you have to calculate cot 30. Okay, how you will get cot 30? Okay, so cot 30 is equal to, we know that cot 30 is equal to 1 by tan 30. Right? How you will get tan 30? So tan 30 is equal to sine 30 divided by cos 30. Okay, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 divided by, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So 2 cancel. So this is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal means root 3. So that is cot 30. So cot 30 is root 3. So 1 plus root 3 the whole square. 1 plus root 3 the whole square means 3. So 1 plus 3. So the answer is 4. Then question number 28. Evaluate the expression Evaluate the expression 12 cos square 45 plus 1. First of all, calculate cos 45. What is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 also 1 by root 2. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So 12 into 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 1. So 12 into 1 by root 2 the whole square means 1 by 2 plus 1. So 12 and 2 I can cancel 6. So 6 into 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 7. Question number 29. 4 find 4 sine square 60 plus sec square 60. 4 sine square 60 plus sec square 60. Okay. What is sine 60? We know that sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Then sec 60. How you will get sec 60? So we know that sec 60 is equal to 1 by cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal so that you will get sec 60. So sec 60 is 2. So I will substitute all the values here. 4 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 4 into root 3 by 2 the whole square plus sec 60 is 2. That means 2 square. So 4 into 3 by 4 plus 4. So 4 into 3 by 4. 4 cancel. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the final answer is 7. Question number 30. Cos 30. Find the value of cos 30. So cos 30 is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Again, we will draw the equilateral triangle like this. Then I will give all the values of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So it is root 3x divided by 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2. We will get the answer root 3 by 2. Next is evaluate the expression 2 root 3 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So 2 into root 3 into what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 the whole square. So this root 3 cancel. So 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 divided by I will take 3 as the LCM. So 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So 2 divided by 2 by 3. I will take the reciprocal so that I can change this division sign. So 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So the answer is 3. Then question number 32. Yeah. Next is cosec square 45. Cosec square 45 minus tan square 45. So cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sine 45. Okay. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. I will take the reciprocal. I will get cosec 45, that is root 2. Then tan 45 is equal to 1, substituted. So root 2 square minus 1 square. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Then question number 34. Tan 45. So tan 45 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is x and adjacent side is x. So x by x is equal to 1. So we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Then which of the following options is equivalent to the given expression? So we have an expression like this. Okay, this is the expression. Cot square x minus cosec square x into 1 minus tan x. Okay, you have 4 options. 1 minus cosec x, tan x minus 1, sec x plus 1, and cot x minus 1. Okay, so here you can see this is in the form of an identity. What is that identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, but here is in the reverse order. That means cot square x minus cosec square x. So that you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is in the reverse order. That means you can give the value of minus 1 here. Okay. So that means minus 1 into 1 minus tan x. You just multiply minus 1 into 1. That means minus 1. Then minus into minus plus tan x. So tan x minus 1. So the answer is tan x minus 1. Tan x minus 1 is the answer. Then Next is, which of the following options is equivalent to the given expression? So the question is 1 minus sine square x divided by sine square x. Okay, we know the identity. Again, another identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this, I can find 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So this one I can write cos square x divided by sine square x. Cos by sine, we know cos by sine is cot. So the answer is cot square x. Then next is, which of the following options is equivalent to the expression? This is the expression sec square x minus tan square x divided by cosec x. Sec square x minus tan square x divided by cosec x. Okay. Again, we have an identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 by cosec x, right? What is 1 by cosec x? 1 by cosec theta is equal to sine theta. So the answer is sine theta. That means sine x. Sine x is the answer. Next question. Which of the following options is equivalent to the given expression? This is the expression. Cosec square x minus 1 into sec square x. Again, we have an identity, right? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So from this, I will shift this 1 to the left side, and I will move this minus cot square theta to the right side. That means cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So I can substitute cot square theta here. That means cot square x into sec square x. So cot I can write cos by sine. That means cos square x by sine square x into sec I can write 1 by cos square x. So cos square x cancel. 1 by sine square x. What is 1 by sine square x? Cosec square x. So the answer is cosec square x, option B. Okay. Then another simple question. We have a right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is beta. Then hypotenuse is 13. Opposite side is 12 and adjacent side is 5. You have to find cos beta. You know that cos is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That means 5 by 13. So the answer is 5 by 13. Okay, so this is again, yeah, the cos 60. Yeah, again you can draw the equilateral triangle and find the value of cos 60. Okay, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is x by 2 divided by hypotenuse is x. Substitute it and simplify, you will get cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we know that cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Then next is cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. For an acute angle, this is given. Cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. That is given. For an acute angle theta, find cosec theta. You have to find cosec theta. So cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. Okay. So sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is given. You have to find cosec theta, right? Cos theta is given. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is given. Adjacent side is 12. Adjacent side is 12. So adjacent side is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Okay, I will apply Pythagoras theorem to find the opposite side. Apply Pythagoras theorem and find the opposite side. Okay, so opposite side is 5. So I will apply Pythagoras theorem and I will get opposite side 5. Now I have all the three sides. Adjacent side is 12 and opposite side is 13 and opposite side is 5. Then I can calculate cosec theta. Cosec theta is, first I will find sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That means 5 by 13. Then I will take the reciprocal 13 by 5. So the answer is 13 by 5. And answer is 13 by 5. Next is evaluate the expression tan 60, tan square 60 minus 3 cot square 60. So tan 60 is root 3, then cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Substitute here. Tan square 60 is equal to root 3 the whole square minus 3 into cot 60 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 the whole square. Root 3 square is 3 minus 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel. So 3 minus 1. So the answer is 2. Question number 43. Which of the following options is equivalent to the given expression? Cot square x into 1 minus cos square x. Again, we have an identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that, I will find 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So I will put sine square theta here. That means cot square x into sine square x. So cot square x I can write. Cot is cos by sine. That means cos square x divided by sine square x into sine square x. So sine square x cancel. So the final answer is cos square x. So the final answer is cos square x. Then question number 44. If sine theta is equal to 4 by 5, evaluate the expression cot theta plus cos theta. Okay. So we know that sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. It is so opposite side is 4. So the ratio is given 4 by 5. That means opposite side is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Okay, then I will draw a right angle triangle like this. Then I will mark the opposite side. Opposite side is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Then I will apply Pythagoras theorem to find the remaining, the third side. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. That is equal to 5 square is equal to 4 square plus, sorry, not, yeah, 5 square is equal to 4 square plus, we don't know adjacent side square. Okay, so I will put adjacent as x. So 25 is equal to 16 plus x square. So x square is equal to 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. So x is equal to 3. Then now I have all the three sides. Hypotenuse is 5, opposite side is 4, adjacent side is 3. Then I will find cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that means 3 by 5. So cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Next is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. First I will find tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. That means 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is tan theta. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal of tan theta, you will get cot theta. So cot theta is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 is equal to, I will take 20 as the LCM. So 20 by 4, 5 into 3, 15 plus 20 divided by 5, 4 into 3. So 15 plus 12. That means 27 divided by 20. 27 divided by 20. Then question number 45 is similar to the previous equilateral triangle we discussed. Draw the equilateral triangle and find the value of tan 30. Then, yeah. Next is we have four options. Okay, this is the expression sec square x minus 1 divided by sine square x. Okay, you have to choose the right option. So we know the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this, I will find sec square theta minus 1. So sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. I will put tan square theta in the numerator. So tan square x divided by sine square x. Okay, so listen. So I can write tan square x divided by sine square x. So what is tan square x? Tan is sine by cos. So sine square x divided by cos square x divided by sine square x. I will change this division sign by taking the reciprocal of this sine square x. So sine square x by cos square x into 1 by sine square x. So sine square x cancel 1 by cos square x. What is 1 by cos? 1 by cos is sec. So that means sec square x. So the answer is sec square x. Question number 47. Okay, the sides, the right angle triangle is given. This is 9. This is 9 units, and this side is 12 units, and this angle is theta. So this is theta, means this 9 is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side because this is a right angle. So this is the hypotenuse. We have to find sine theta. We know that how you will calculate sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here the problem is I don't know hypotenuse. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side is 12 square plus 9 square. 144 plus 81, 225. So x is equal to square root of 225, you will get 15. So now I have all the three sides. Opposite side is 9, adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse is 15. So you can easily find sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That means 9 by 15. So you can simplify it. 9 I can write 3 into 3. 15 is 5 into 3. 3 cancel. 3 by 5. So the answer is 3 by 5. Okay, question number 48. 2 cosec square, we have an expression like this. 2 cosec 30 plus root 3 sec 30. 2 cosec 30 plus root 3 sec 30. First, I am going to find out cosec 30. How you will find cosec 30? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, 1 by sine 30. First, I am going to find sine 30. We know that what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal, you will get cosec 30. So cosec 30 is 2. And next is sec 30. We know that sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Take the reciprocal, you will get sec 30, 2 by root 3. Substitute here. So 2 into cosec 30 is 2. So 2 into 2 plus root 3 into sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So root 3 cancel. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 6. Okay. Next, I'm going to start the application problems related to the trigonometry. That is related to the angle of depression and the angle of elevation. There are two types of problems. One is related to angle of elevation, and the second one is related to the angle of depression. So the first question is dealing with the angle of elevation. Sunil is standing on the ground facing the sun. His height and the length of his shadow are in the ratio 1:3. What is the angle of elevation theta of the sun? Okay, so draw a right angle triangle like this. So this is the sun and this is the height. This is the height. Height is given. Height of Sunil is given. It is in the ratio of 1:3. So this is 1, and this is the shadow. This is root 3. This ratio is given 1:3. So this is a right angle triangle. So the question is, what is the angle of elevation? So angle of elevation means this angle. You have to find this angle. This is the angle of elevation of the sun. So how you will calculate it? So you have two sides, right? You have a opposite side and you have adjacent side. Opposite side is 1 unit and adjacent side is root 3 units. So that you can apply tan. So we know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So that means 1 by root 3. So then what is the value of theta? So if theta is equal to 30 degree, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So the angle is 30 degree. So in this way, you can calculate the value of angle of elevation. Next question. Jeff is flying a kite. Okay, so here in this figure, you can see this is the kite. There is no slack in this is the string. This hypotenuse represents the string, and this horizontal line represents the ground. There is no slack in the string. That means the string is completely tight. There is no looseness. So the length of the string is given, it's 60 meter. That means hypotenuse is given, it's 60 meter. The angle of elevation to the kite from the ground. So this is the ground. From the ground to the kite, this angle is called the angle of elevation. That is given, it's 30 degree. So angle of elevation means the angle is made by the horizontal, is what is called, for example, here, kite is at the top, and the one point of the string is at the bottom of the ground. So the angle of elevation from the ground to the kite, that will be 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So you have to calculate how high is the kite from the ground. You have to find the height. So that means consider this right angle triangle. So we know the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 60. We know the angle. You have to calculate the height. Height means this is the angle 30 degree, means this is the opposite side. You have to find opposite side. So which relation you will use? So the relation you will use is sine 30, because sine 30 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal to height divided by 60 meter. So height is equal to, I can cross multiply it, sine 30 into 60. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 60. So that is equal to 30 meter. So that means the kite is at a distance of 30 meter from the ground level. This is the ground level, and this kite is at a distance of 30 meter from the ground. Next question. Question number 51. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane. So this is the aeroplane. This top position is this is the aeroplane. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground. This is the ground. This is the point, and this is called the angle of elevation. This is given. This angle of elevation is 45 degree. The distance from the point to the aeroplane is 10 root 2 kilometer. So this is the point, and from this point to this aeroplane, this distance is given. This distance is 10 root 2 kilometer. That means hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is 10 root 2 kilometer. How high above the ground is the aeroplane is flying? You have to calculate this height. From the ground level, what is the height of this aeroplane? So this angle is given. This is the angle of elevation. That means this height is called the opposite side. Okay. So we have the hypotenuse. So which relation you will use? So I'm going to calculate the opposite side. I have the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse. That means I will apply the sine 45. So sine 45 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine 45 is equal to opposite side is height divided by hypotenuse is 10 root 2. So height is equal to cross multiplication. What is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 10 root 2 kilometer. So root 2 cancel, 10 kilometers. So the answer is 10 kilometers. That means the aeroplane is at a distance of 10 kilometers from the ground. The aeroplane is at a distance of 10 kilometers from the ground. Next question is 52. A ladder is leaning against a wall and it makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. So this is the ladder. Okay, this is the ladder, and this ladder is leaning against a wall, and this vertical line represents the wall, and this angle, this is the horizontal, and this angle is 60 degree, and this is what is called the angle of elevation. The foot of the ladder is 50 meter away from the wall. This is the foot of the ladder, and this is at a distance of 50 meter from this wall. Find the length of the ladder. You have to calculate the length of the ladder. Length of the ladder means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. Okay, so we have adjacent side. This is the adjacent side. We know the adjacent side. We know the angle. I'm going to calculate the hypotenuse. So which relation you will apply? So the relation between adjacent side and hypotenuse is cos. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side is 50. So 50 divided by length of the ladder. Cross multiplication. Length of ladder is equal to, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 50 meter divided by length of ladder. Length of ladder is equal to 50 into 2. So 50 into 2 is 100 meter. So the length of the ladder is 100 meter. Then question number 53. Two towers are 60 meter apart. Okay, we have two towers. One is AD and another one is BC. You can see AD is one tower and BC is another tower. The angle of elevation from the foot of the first. Okay, this is the foot of the first tower. From this point to the top of the second. This is the second tower, C. So this angle of elevation is 60 degree. So I marked here, this angle is 60 degree. Then the angle of elevation from the foot of the second. This is the second tower. From here to the top of the next tower, that angle of elevation is 30 degree. So here we have two angle of elevations. One is 60 degree and another one is 30 degree. What is the difference between the heights of the towers? Okay, so first I will mark this height is h1 and this height is h2. So the question is, you have to calculate h1 minus h2. What is the difference between h1 and h2? What is the difference between the heights of the towers? First you calculate h1 and h2. So you can apply tan 60 and tan 30. Why tan 60 and tan 30? So tan 60 and tan 30 means we know the adjacent side, opposite side and adjacent side, right? So I'm calculating the opposite side. I know the adjacent side. Adjacent side is this AB. AB is the adjacent side, 60 meter. And I'm calculating the H1, the opposite side. So the relation between adjacent side and opposite side is tan. So tan 60 is equal to H1 by 60. So H1 is equal to tan 60 is root 3. So H1 is equal to 60 root 3 meter. Then after that, I will take the another triangle that is considering this triangle tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side is H2. H2 divided by adjacent side is 60. So H2 is equal to so tan 30 is equal to uh, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to H2 divided by 60. So H2 is equal to 60 by root 3. So 60 I can write 3 into 20. So 3 again I can write root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cancel, 20 root 3. So H2 is 20 root 3. So H1 is 60 root 3. H1 is 60 root 3 and H2 is 20 root 3. Then find the difference. H1 minus H2 is 60 root 3 minus 20 root 3, that is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Then next is question number 54. Two battleships are moving towards each other. Okay, so this is ship number 1 and this is ship number 2 are moving towards each other, and there is a 300-meter lighthouse in their way. So this center line, this line represents the lighthouse. There is a lighthouse. So this is ship number 1 and this is ship number 2, and there is a 300-meter lighthouse. The angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse from both the ships. From ship number 1, the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 45 degree. And from ship number 2, the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 60 degree. What is the distance between these the ships? What is the distance between ship 1 and ship 2? That means here I have two right angle triangles, right? So I will calculate x1, then I will calculate x2, then I will add x1 and x2. You will get the distance between the ships. So I will apply tan. Why I apply tan? Because opposite side I know. I'm calculating the adjacent side. X1 is adjacent side. Opposite side I know. Okay, so tan 45 is equal to 300 divided by x1. Okay, so tan 45 is 1. So x1 is equal to 300 meter. Then after that, tan 60 is equal to 300 divided by x2. So tan 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. So x2 is equal to 300 by root 3. So 300 I can write 3 into 100. Then 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. So that root 3 cancel. So 100 root 3. Okay. So x1 is 300. X1 is 300. So this is 300. X1 is 300 and x2 is 100 root 3. So you just add this to 300 plus 100 root. So the answer is 300 plus 100 root 3 meter. That is the final answer. Distance between the ships equals 300 plus 100 root 3 meter. Okay, next question. Question number 55. Okay, question number 55. Okay, so Ria is sitting on her roof. Okay, I will zoom it. Yeah, Ria is sitting on her roof. So this is the roof where Ria is sitting, which is 150 meter above the ground. So this distance is 150 meter. And looking at a tree, there is a tree here. This is the tree. This DC represents the tree. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of the tree are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Okay, so the angle of depression means the angle to the bottom side from the horizontal. That is what is called the angle of depression. So there are two angles of depressions. One is Ria is looking at the top of the tree, and the second one is Ria is looking at the bottom of the tree. So the first angle is 30 degree and the second angle is 60 degree. It is marked here. How tall is the tree? You have to find, you have to calculate the height of the tree. What is the height of the tree? Okay, so first I am taking, I know the total height of this roof is, 150 meter. Okay, so I am calculating DE. Okay, so I will calculate DE. Then I will take the difference of 150 minus DE. You will get the height of the tree. So height of the tree will be equal to 150 minus DE. Okay, so the aim is to calculate DE. Once I will get DE, then 150 minus DE will give you the height of the tree. So tan 30, I will find tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That means this distance I can write this. So I am giving this the height of the tree as x. Okay, so this one I can write 150 minus x because the total height is 150. So this will be 150 minus x. So opposite side is 150 minus x. So tan 30 is equal to 150 minus x divided by BE. BE is the adjacent side. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 150 minus x divided by BE. Then cross multiplication BE is equal to 150 minus x into root 3 meter. Then next I am calculating the tan 60. Next I am calculating the tan 60. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is again opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 60, I am considering the bigger triangle. That means BEC, this triangle, BEC, this triangle I am considering, BEC. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is the total height of the roof, the total height of the building. Total height of the building is 150 meter. So 150 divided by BE. And BE, we know the value, 150 minus x into root 3 meter. Just to substitute here. Okay, just to substitute here. So root 3 is equal to 150 divided by 150 minus x into root 3. Then cross multiplication, 150 minus x into root 3 is equal to 150. 150 minus x into root 3 into root 3 is 3 equal to 150. So 150 minus x is equal to 150 divided by 3. Then 15, 3 cancel, 50. 150 minus 50 is equal to x. So x is equal to 100 meter. So that is the height of the tree. So the height of the tree is equal to 100 meter. Okay. So next is Popeye. Popeye is standing on the deck of a ship. Okay. So this is the ship, and this is the position of Popeye. Popeye is standing on the deck of a ship, which is 25 meter above the water level. So this distance is 25 meter. As seen from the deck, the angle of elevation of the top of a hill is 60 degree. There is a hill. There is a hill here, and this is the top of the hill. From this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the bottom of the hill is 30 degree. Okay, this is the hill. This is the hill, and Popeye is standing on the deck at a height of 25 meter above the water level. So the angle of elevation to the top of the hill is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the bottom of the hill is 30 degree. Find the height of the hill. You have to calculate the height of the hill. Height of the hill means ED plus CD. You have to calculate ED plus CD. Okay, so here I am calculating ED, right? ED and CD. That means this is opposite side. This is opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. Okay, this is the adjacent side. So tan I am applying tan 30. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? Opposite side is this here this is 25. This height is given, right? This is 25 meter, right? That means this CD is 25. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side by divided by adjacent side. This is 25. So 25 divided by BD. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 25 by BD. Then cross multiplication, BD is equal to 25 root 3 meter. Then after that, I will calculate tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to ED divided by BD. Okay, ED divided by BD. So ED is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 into BD. So BD is 25 root 3. So ED is equal to 25 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 25 into 3 is 75. So ED is 75. So 75 plus 25. So what is the total height of the hill? Height of the hill is 25 plus 75 is 100 meter. Okay. Next question. An aeroplane is flying right above a really long train, which is 8,000 into 1 plus root 3 meter long. So this BF, starting from B to F, this is the length of the train. This is 8,000 into 1 plus root 3 meter long. An aeroplane is flying on the top of the train. Okay, this is the aeroplane. This is the aeroplane and this is the train. The angle of elevation to the aeroplane from the end of the train. This is the end of the train. From here to the aeroplane, this angle of elevation is 30 degree. And the angle of depression from the aeroplane to the front of the train is 30 degree. Angle of depression means this is the horizontal and this angle is 45. This angle is 45 means this inside. This angle is 45. Okay. This angle is given. This angle is called angle of depression. This angle is given 45 degree angle made with the horizontal. So this angle is 45 degree. How high above the ground is the aeroplane? You have to calculate the height, this height. We have to find what is the height of this aeroplane from the ground. So first I am finding tan 30. Okay, tan 30 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side because opposite side is the height. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to h divided by BO. Okay, so tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by BO. So h I am giving as x. Okay, so BO is equal to root 3x. BO means this distance. BO is root 3x. Then I will apply tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side. That means again h by OF. Okay, so tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to x by OF. So OF is equal to x. OF is equal to x. Okay, we know that OB is equal to root 3x and OF is equal to x. Okay, we know that is the total length of the train, right? We know the total length of the train. Total length of the train is 8,000 into 1 plus root 3 meter. So OB plus OF is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus root 3. So OB is root 3x plus OF is equal to x is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus root 3. Then I will take x common. That means 1 plus root 3 is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus root 3. So x is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3, 1 plus root 3 cancel. X is equal to 8,000 meter. That means the aeroplane is at a distance of 8,000 meter above the ground. Aeroplane is at a distance of 8,000 meter above the ground. Then question number 58. Okay, so these are some of the problems. I'm leaving these problems to you for practice. Okay, I'm explaining the problem and then you can find the solutions. If you are facing any doubt, you can comment. I will reply it. So Neeraj is lying down on the grass and looking at the sky. Okay, he finds the angle of elevation of one of the clouds to be 60 degrees. So this is the cloud. Okay, and from this point, Neeraj is looking into the cloud. So this is the angle of elevation. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. And the cloud is 1000 root 3 meter above the ground. This height is given 1000 root 3. How far from Neeraj is that cloud? Okay, so from here to here, that means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. Okay, so you are calculating the hypotenuse. This height is given, this angle is given. That means opposite side and hypotenuse. You have to apply sine. Sine 60 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Once you apply it, you will get the answer. X is equal to 2000 meter. So try this problem. I'm leaving this problem for you as practice problem. Then question number 60. Yeah, question number 60. Again, this is a similar problem. A monkey sitting on a tree. This is the position of the monkey looking at a lunch box. So lunch box is on the ground. The monkey is as high from the ground as the lunch box is away from the tree. So this is the tree. So this is the tree. So the monkey is as high from the ground as the lunch box is away from the tree. That means this distance and this distance are equal. Okay. Find the angle of depression. You have to calculate this angle of depression theta from the monkey to the lunch box. Okay. So I will apply this angle is theta means this angle is theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so BC divided by AB. Okay, so it is given that this distance are equal. This distance are equal means tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degree. So the answer is 45 degree. So the answer is 45 degree. Okay, Another question is, in a yoga class, the instructor asked Amir to lie down on his back and raise the legs at an angle of 30 degree while keeping them straight. So this is the legs, okay? And this angle is 30 degree. This is given. Amir's foot was 80 centimeter above the ground. So this is the ground. This is the ground and this height is 80 centimeter. And how long are Amir's legs? Okay, that means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, this one I have to calculate. This angle of elevation we know, and this is what is called opposite side. So opposite and hypotenuse. That means you can apply the sine. Sine 30 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Then after solving this, you will get the value of BC. BC is 160 centimeter. Then next question number 62. The angle of elevation from the top of a building to the top of another. Okay, this is the building. This is one building. This B1 is one building. This B2 is another building. Okay, so from this building to the top of the another building, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. The distance between the feet of these buildings is 40 root 2. So this distance is 40 root 2 meter. What is the distance between the top of the two buildings? Okay, what is the distance between the top of the two buildings? This is the top of building 1 and this is top of building 2. Okay, what is the distance between the top of the two buildings? That means you have to find AC, hypotenuse. Okay, so here I am calculating the hypotenuse. I know this angle and I know this distance. So this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So the relation between adjacent side and hypotenuse is cos. So cos 45 is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So 40 root 2 divided by hypotenuse. After solving this, you will get AC. Distance between the top of the two buildings is 80 meter. Then question number 63. These are some similar problems. Okay, 64. Yeah, 64. Two giraffes, Shorty and Tally, are 11 meter away. So this is giraffe 1 and this is giraffe 2, are 11 meter away, and an ant is somewhere between them. This is the position of the ant. Shorty is 2 root 3 meter tall. This is the height of the Shorty, 2 root 3 meter. From the ant's point of view, the angles of elevation of Shorty is 30 degree and Tally are 60 degree. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. How tall is Tally? You have to find this height. Okay, so apply the just to think about, and then this is the figure. Okay, just apply the sine, cos, or tan, whatever you feel is correct. Okay, then find the answer. So the final answer is 5 root 3 meter. So the answer, the height of Tally is 5 root 3 meter. Next question. A bird is sitting on a tree, so this is the position of the bird. Sitting on a tree, noticed a lion. This is the lion. Following an elephant, there is one more object, that is elephant, coming towards the tree. And this is the tree, and this is the position of bird. This is lion, and this is elephant. The bird was 45 meter above the ground. This height is 45 meter. From her point of view, angle of depression of the lion and elephant were 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. So angle of depression of lion and angle of depression to elephant are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. How far was the lion from the elephant? Okay, that means you have to calculate this distance, LE. What is the distance between L and E? Okay, so you can apply the sine, cos, and whatever you feel it's correct. Okay, and then apply it and solve it. You will get the answer. LE is equal to 45 minus 15 root 3 meter. If you are not getting the answer, please comment it. I will create another video and I will upload it so that you can watch it. Next is question number 66. A starfish is swimming around one corner of a pool at a depth of 90 meter and looking at the other corner. For the starfish, the angle of elevation to the surface of water is 60 degrees. So this is the position of fish, and this is the surface of water, and this is the bottom of the water. The angle of elevation to the surface of water is 60 degree and the angle of depression to the bottom of the pool is 45 degree. You have to find the how deep is the pool. That means depth. You have to find the depth of the pool. Depth of the pool is equal to SO plus BO. Okay, SO plus BO. Okay, so draw this triangle. Then you have two angles, 60 degree and 45 degree. You can apply the trigonometric relations. Okay, trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, or tan, whatever you feel it's correct. So that the final answer is 90 plus 30 root 3. If your answer is not this, your answer is wrong. Okay, so solve the problem. Draw this figure, draw this diagram, and then mark all the angles, and then find the appropriate trigonometric ratios, and then solve it. You will get the final answer. Depth of the pool is 90 plus 30 root 3 meter. Next question. The angle of depression from a boat to a fish swimming inside the lake is 60 degrees. So this is the boat and this is the fish. The angle of depression is given. It's a 60 degree. The fish is 17 root 3 meter below the surface of the water. This is the surface of the water. How far is the fish from the boat? Okay, so that means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. We know the angle, we know the opposite side, and our aim is to calculate the hypotenuse. Which trigonometric ratio you will apply? So opposites, the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse is sine. So sine 60 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That means 17 root 3 divided by AB. So AB is the hypotenuse. Okay. So I will give AB as X. So X is equal to BC divided by sine 60. So BC is 17 root 3. 17 root 3 divided by sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Take the reciprocal. 17 root 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 17 into 2, 34 meter. So the distance between the fish and the boat is 34 meter. Next question. A dolphin is swimming away from the shore at a constant depth. So this is the surface. Okay. The constant depth is given. It is 3600 root 3 meter. So this is the depth. The angle of depression of the dolphin from the shore changes from 60 degree to 30 degree in 30 seconds. Find the speed of the dolphin in meter per second. Okay. So this is the surface. And these are the points F and I. So the angle of depression. So the dolphin is swimming away from the shore at a constant depth of 3600 root 3 meter. So the angle of depression of the dolphin from the shore changes from 60 degree to 30 degree in 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, the angle of depression changes from 60 degree to 30 degree. Find the speed of the dolphin in meter per second. So first I will calculate tan 30 and then I will calculate FM. Then I will find tan 60. Then from that tan 60, I will calculate IM. So now I have FM. FM means that this total distance and IM is this distance. Okay. Then I will take the difference. Distance is equal to FM minus IM. Okay. That means 10,800 minus 3,600. That means 7,200. So we know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance covered is equal to 7,200 divided by time is 30 seconds. So 7,200 divided by 30, that will be is equal to 240 meter per second. Next question. Question number 69. Mahesh is standing upright with his both hands perpendicular. This is his arms. Okay. This arms is in perpendicular position to his body. His toes are 2 meter away from the fingertip. So this is the fingertip and this is the position of the toe. And this distance is given. This is 2 meter. And his arms are 1 meter long. So this is his body and this is the distance of, this is the length of his arm. This is 1 meter. What is the angle of depression theta from the fingertips to the toes? We have to calculate this angle theta. So angle of depression theta. So here this angle is theta means this is opposite side. Opposite side we don't know. Hypotenuse, I know adjacent side. So the relation between hypotenuse and adjacent side is cos. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That means 1 divided by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 means theta is equal to 60 degree. If theta is equal to 60 degree, the value of cos is 1 by 2. Then next question. A housefly was sitting on top of a lamp. So this is the lamp, and this is the position of housefly, and was looking at the dustbin. So there is a dustbin here. This is the position of the dustbin, and the height of the dustbin is 20 centimeter. Then the angles of depression of the top and bottom of the dustbin from the housefly's position were 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. What is the height of this lamp? We have to calculate the height of this lamp. Okay, so the steps are for find tan 30. You can, so if this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree. Okay, so you can apply tan 30 and tan 45 degree, and finally you will get the height of the lamp. The height of the lamp is 30 plus 10 root 3 meter. Apply the trigonometric ratios and try to solve the problem. If you are not getting the solution, please let me know. Then question number 71. In an amusement park, the longest slide is called the right triangle. So this is the longest slide. Okay, we need to climb 100 meter vertically. So this is the vertical distance. We need to climb 100 meter to reach the top of the slide, and then slide all the way down. The angle of depression means this angle. This angle is 30 degrees. This is 30 degree means this angle is 30 degree. Angle of depression means the angle made with the horizontal. So this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree means this angle is also 30 degree. So the angle of depression is 30 degree. What is the length of the slide? Length of the slide means we have to calculate the hypotenuse. Okay, so here we know this is the angle 30 degree means we know opposite side. We are calculating the hypotenuse. That means we can apply the trigonometric ratio sine. So sine 30 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine 30 is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine 30 is equal to 100 divided by length. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So 100 into 2, that is 200 meters. So the length of the slide is 200 meter. So that's all about the trigonometric problems and the applications of trigonometry. So there are 71 problems mentioned in this video. You can watch these 71 problems again and again. Okay, once you reach one question, pause the video and then write the question and then solve the question by your own. Okay, and check the answer whether your answer is correct or not. If your answer is not correct, you can play the video again and then you can watch the solution again, so that in this way you can practice trigonometric problems and the applications of trigonometry. Okay, after finishing this video, you can solve any type of problems related to trigonometry and applications of trigonometry. Thank you.